Welcome back, YouTube. I'm back with another video. What I'm gonna be unboxing today is there's a few stuff that I ordered off the eastbay. So I'm just gonna quickly unbox it for you guys. Very excited for this package, and I'll tell you in a minute why. Well, all the unboxings that I'll do on this channel will probably be like this, just so you guys can see what I see. It's a little difficult using one hand, but we got it down. So you got all the information and stuff that you get off eastbay when you get a package in. Here I ordered an eastbay branded half sleeve, and it's covered up because it's white, and then I ordered it in medium. Put that aside. This. Now these are the socks that I ordered. There's these. The Nike Vapor Performance Cushion Crew Elite socks. They retail for $28. And it's a 2-pack. Is it nice? Put that to the side. And this is what I really wanted right here. This is a Nike hand warmer. My hands get really cold, but I mean, where I play, it's always like, it's normally hot because I don't have Friday night light or Friday games at night because we don't have lights, which is bad. But I mean, when we have our away games, some of them are away, or well, any of our away games are at night. So and it gets pretty cold, and my hands, like I said, are really get really cold, and so I just decided to get that. And I got another pair of Nike straight jackets, and these are the white ones. And these are fresh. Look at that. Alright, so thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye.